This is John Ozzy, AudaCity Capital, Head of Training and Development. I'm reviewing the account of one of our traders, Unuigbe. Unuigbe has been with us from June 15, 2020 up until present day of 5th of March 2021. So he's been with us for about 8 months, and this is his journey of trading the FTP account. At present, he's managing 120,000 US dollars and started his journey on the 15th of June 2020 with $15,000 and managing $120,000 up to date. He's maintained a daily rate of 0.11%, which is very good. And as we can see the progress of his chart, the drawdown has actually been in a positive territory in the sense that he's only hit about just under 2% on average, about 2% maximum of his allowable 10%, which is very good. This trader's had a total of 436 trades. A total of 158 of those trades were long and 184 were short, which gives us a total of 342 trades on the long side and being successful. And we have 198 altogether on the short side. So combined together, we have 342 trades that's been successfully won out of a total of 436. As you can see, 198 and 238 gives us 436, and 158 and 184 gives us a total of 342. So this trader has succeeded over more than 50% of his trades, and this is really good and very impressive. Looking at the drawdown now is one thing because this trader's preserved the balance over a period of time. And looking at the balance now, we can see from $15,000, we can see the journey. The lowest he's reached was just about 14,000 and about 14,822. And you can see the journey, we rise up 29,000. We go another peak, 60,000. And clearly we hit our peak, which is about 66,000, which gives him he's on 66, which gave him his 10% out on the 3rd of March. So as of a few days ago, he's been managing 120,000. As you can see, it's reflected on the balance. Let's see how this trader done this. This trader's traded a variety of instruments down from crosspairs up onto metals, which has gold and silver, which is not normally allowed by our traders, but this trader still traded it because there's been given flexibility because this trader is trading six figures. Looking at the P&L account with a summary of trades, this trader is successful mainly on the Euro New Zealand dollar, the Euro US dollar, and the big gains came from the pound yen, pound New Zealand dollar, and the pound US dollar. And as we can see from these trades, we had an exaggerated amount of 35 trades in total on this pair. 30 long and 30 short and 30 long. We have 35 trades as well on the pound New Zealand, and we have a 56 total amount of trades on the pound US dollar, which gives this trader significant gains of 2,627, 2,340, 2,216, and 193. These are very big gains for this trader, and this trader's traded of quite a number of instruments. And you can see on the CAD yen, he's got 1696. So diversification has been put into play here, and whereas he's mastered a few pairs to help him hit his target. So coming down to the monthly analytics, from when he started his journey in 2020, he's down by 0.78% in June. In July, he came up to about 4.33%. Dropped a bit down in August to 2.74%, climbed up to 9.7% in September. So this is where the journey started, and he dropped back down, unfortunately, to about 1.5%. But although the trader's been dropping down in percentage rates of return, we're still in positive territory, but we're just preserving the balance with a bit of growth. And in November, 7.8%. December was not really a good month, so it's just down by 0.2%. Coming into the new year of 2021, the first 3 months, we dropped down by 1.59% at deficit, come back up at 4.9%, and again, our current rate of March, 2.2%. But overall, looking at this trader's account, we are down, which is fine, but we're preserving the balance and we've definitely got profit. Let's look at a few of his trades that he's taken up across the period of time, which is 443 in total. And looking at 443, we can see the lot sizes are a bit consistent. As you can see, the consistent gains, which is doing quite well. This is very good. And as you can see, we see the gains. We have losses, but overall, we're still seeing profit. So let's look at some random pairs that he's traded. So we can see this again, profits and a few losses. And same again, we got a big loss here on the Euro US dollar, and we got a big loss here on the same pair. But overall, we're still in profit. So this is the whole point. We've had a few losses along the way, but looking at the P&L statement, we can see the summary of his trading account. Because looking at the goals, that's one thing. We see where we are now. Let's look at the growth rate. Then we come to the chart itself, and then profit. This is where we see the profit level. Let's just get here, periods. Here we go. Looking at the periods now, we can see the week, his average gains during the week and the average losses during the week. The pip difference, as we can see, 217 pips this week, which is not bad. This whole year, he's got 382.60 profit, reflecting in the pip gain as well. Looking at the drawdown as well, we can see the biggest drawdown came in January the 27th, and February the 12th. So overall, this trader's doing well. Very impressive. I can see the equity curve in positive growth. And looking at the growth curve as well, the trader's done well preserving the balance, and the drawdown is 7.2%. It's 26% on average. So with a monthly drawdown gain of 3.35%, this trader's doing well. And I wish this trader all the best because we're only 2 steps away from $500,000, so which is 240, the next target if he hits 12,000, and we go on to 500,000 if we hit the 10% of 24,000. So wishing Mr. Ugbe all the best.